Guys, today I'm teaching you how to add celebrity voices to Waze. If you want a famous person or special character to give you navigation directions, you can easily check the available voice options in the app. First, open Waze on your phone. Tap the menu icon, then select Settings. Next, tap Voice and Sound, then choose Current Voice. Here, you'll see the voices currently available for your Waze app. Look for a special voice, celebrity voice, or character voice you want to use. Then tap it to select it. If the voice is available, Waze will automatically use it for your navigation directions. Some special voices may only be available for a limited time or in certain regions. If we can find a specific celebrity voice, it may no longer be available in Waze. And that's how to add celebrity voices to Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other helpful tutorials.